I let each governor I spoke with know if there's anything the states need right now, I'm ready to mobilize that support of what they need. I don't think anybody can deny the impact of the climate crisis anymore.
Suddenly not having power because the company makes a determination that.
But either way, you know, we also know how many huge number of Americans have died, how many huge number of Americans have, for example, more forest has been burned to the ground since I've become, in the time I've been doing this. Than the entire square miles of the state of Maryland.
Let's go home. We can watch the rest of it there.
The most extensive and inclusive voter fraud organization in the history of American politics.